Alright, so here I am at the top of the West Ridge Trail from Loveland Pass. It's about a 2.8 mile out and back hike in Colorado. Part of the Continental Divide Trail. The elevation I'm sitting at right now is about 12,500 feet. This is my first hike that I've started in the dark. A little sketch at first, but it is absolutely beautiful up here. We got an amazing sunrise coming up here. It looks super hazy and smoky because there are wildfires out west of here, but no complaints. So all in all, great way to start the morning. It was a pretty easy hike up. I mean, anytime you're over 12,000 feet, it's a little bit you're gonna deal with the elevation, but had this ridge to myself all morning. Got to see the sunrise. I think one of my favorite parts about the whole thing, these rock piles that they turned into seats. Pretty cool. So 2 chairs to watch the sunrise.